Welcome to Therapy Facts with Dr. Jenn. The fifth note about how therapy works is related to the fourth note about how therapy works. The fourth note talks about the importance of sharing with the therapist the details of your life so that the therapist can help you get a better understanding and decide if you want to do something different, if you want to take that understanding and do something new or better. Like we say, when we know better, we do better. And so it is the details that allows one to know, and then the process of developing a new skill set, which allows one to do better, right? Know better, do better. The fifth point in how therapy works is that the therapist is not judging you based on your details. No matter how excruciatingly painful your details may be or how embarrassing your details may be. And in a lot of situations, how you might not remember your details, how your details will come up, memories or remembrances, as I call them, of your details will come up as you are talking about other things. No matter how hard it is, just know that the therapist is not judging you. If your details are currency, the therapist is delving into your currency in order to provide the help with gaining the clarity and working through whatever your emotions are. So don't worry, don't be embarrassed. Note that when we're being trained and when we are practicing or working professionally, we hear so much from so many people that at some point, people's stories begin to repeat. And so, quite often, you get to a point, a therapist gets to a point where your details are very similar to the details of other people. I always like to say, as a master therapist, when people are talking to me and they ask me if their details are unusual, and I usually say to them, they are in good company, which is to say, there is not that much that is unique about what you are telling me, no matter how traumatic it may be, because of the experiences that I have. But I say to you that therapists are not judging you in order to remove that level of distress from the sharing of your details if that exists for you. The therapist is not judging you. The therapist is not laughing at you. The therapist is not ridiculing you. All those experiences may come from having experiences with other people who may be aware of your details. But the therapist does not share in that particular process. We are not judging you. We're not making fun of you. We want your details simply for the purpose of doing our job, which is to help you with a greater understanding and to help you through your therapeutic journey.